Purandare, and today I'm going to show you 5 command prompt tricks which will blow up your mind. So let's begin. Please like, share and subscribe this video to anyone, and don't forget to ring the bell for instant notifications. So let's begin. Let's open a command prompt. The first way is to type CMD or terminal. And the third one is easy. Type here command prompt. And this is how I'm going to open command prompt on my Windows 10 2004 version. Now let's go to directories by various way. cd ... is to go back a directory. I will show you how to do that in File Explorer. Open File Explorer and go to C. Once you do this, you go back a directory. And once you click this arrow, you go up a directory. This is what we are going to do. Now once we type cd devav, we go in the directory of devav. Now let's make a folder. Let's make a folder named tyd. No, let's make a folder named hello. My name is Devavrat. So it's make dir hello. My name is Devavrat. Enter, and yes, it is made. Now let's check it if it is made. So go to users. It's over here Devav. So you can see over here it says Devav. So let's go in Devav. And we have made it. Hello, my name is Devavrat. Now let's see how to delete a file. Now let's delete hello, my name is Devavrat. And let's check again. Oh, okay. Okay, my spelling was wrong. So let's type again. Remove dir. Hello. My name is Devavrat. And let's reload it. And you can see our file is deleted. Now let's do another one. Let's make an directory. Make dir hello. Okay, let's keep it as make dir 1, 2, 3. Is it made? Wait a second. I have to go to File Explorer. But I promised you that this was fully of a terminal. So let's type here dir. And you can see that our app is made. And this is where it is. We had named our file make dir 1, 2, 3. Let's find 1, 2, 3. And yes, we have made it successfully. And it also shows when we had made it. So just now it's 3:46 PM. And over here we have made this in 3:46 PM. and it also shows us the date we made it. So let's go up, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, 8/30/2020, and this is today's date. Now let's make another one. Now in this is the last terminal trick I'm showing. We have to clear everything. So let's type in clear. Oh, sorry. And it is clear. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, go to the red button over here, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell for instant notifications. Thank you.